Greetings Aqua fam, it's Ben Aqua. So in this video we're going to talk about LumaFusion and audio sync issues. LumaFusion is probably the best video editing app on iOS. But one thing I've noticed is that the audio sometimes will just go weirdly out of sync, or the fades won't show up properly, or I'll add audio effects, then I'll export the video and it'll just be a hot mess. So anyway, I emailed the LumaFusion customer support and they gave me the simplest but kind of hidden way to fix audio syncing and weird audio problems. Alright, so now we're in LumaFusion on my iPad Pro. This is a recent vlog that I shot in New Orleans. If you haven't seen it already, I'll link it in the description. But yeah, I shot this entire thing on my iPhone at 4K. I edited the entire thing within LumaFusion. So if you're having weird audio issues, this is what you want to do. When you're in your project, over here next to the title of your project, there's a little icon that looks like a list with a little plus sign. So you want to tap that. And what that does is it'll bring you into like the project view and you'll see all your project files there. When your project is selected, go down to this little icon down here. It looks like a little funnel inside of a square. And you just want to tap that. And it'll bring up this option that says optimize and consolidate, which will duplicate the selected project, optimize the media to resolve playback and export issues, and copy it into a single folder in the imported library. Make sure you have enough space on your iPad. And then you want to tap optimize and consolidate. And then at that point, it just starts optimizing all of your files. And it just seems like it makes the files more accessible within the project on your iPad, so it's not trying to access them from a bunch of different sources. This might actually take a little bit, so take a little coffee break, go out and stretch a little bit. But once this is done, it'll create a duplicate project that is just called whatever the title of your project was. In this case, it's called New Orleans Vlog. And then at the end of the title, it'll just say opt, like New Orleans Vlog opt. And opt for optimized. And at that point, that's the version of the project that you're going to want to mess with from there on. So really, that's all you have to do. Just find that kind of hidden optimize and consolidate button on your project, and then hopefully your audio syncing issues will be fixed. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments. If you thought this video was whack, let me know in the comments as well. What? I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, or if you think I'm cute, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, notification bell, you know what to do. But yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.